Hello there. Good to see you again. Yeah, all right, don't laugh. I'm just trying on my egg head. Now, if you remember, I made this one for myself last time. And be warned, they do get sillier. So, if you do want to try it yourself, blow up a balloon so it's slightly bigger than your own head. Cover most of it in 4 layers of papier-mâché. When it's dry, pop the balloon. Then tie a piece of string just above your ears to get your head size. Use it to mark around the papier-mâché balloon and then cut it to size. Try it on and draw where your hair disappears. Use those marks to draw in your silly hairstyle. And then paint it. And there you have a silly egghead. Funny, aren't they? And you know, they're brilliant for fancy dress parties. And if you think this type is silly, you can make them even sillier. How about a quiff or even a bun? Come and have a look at this. Now, to add one of those hairpieces onto your egg head, do it before you paint it. And it's a good idea to inflate another balloon inside it to help keep the head in shape. Now, for the bun, it's easy. Just scrunch up a big ball of newspaper and tape that into shape at the back onto your egg head using plenty of tape. Simple as that. Then for a silly quiff, take a double page from a big newspaper, close it, fold it in half lengthways, that's the long way, like that, in half, and then in half again, lengthways, like that. Then roll it up loosely from one end to just over halfway. So I'm just doing it very loosely, a loose roll to just about there, just over halfway, and then tape that into position, again using lots of tape. I'm just going to do it very quickly here to show you. One there, one on there, and I think one more on the back to make sure. And then place it on your egg head, and again tape it into place using lots of tape. And again, one on there. You'll use lots of sticky tape for this, I can guarantee. One on there, and finally, just to keep it in place, it's my old granddad's toupee tape, I don't think. Then take your glue mixture. Now, don't forget it's 2-part glue to 1 part water. And the idea is to just paste it all over the hairpiece. You don't have to go over the whole egg head, just the hairpiece, like that. And just lay in some strips of newspaper. The idea is to glue on these papier-mâché strips of newspaper to really neaten it up and strengthen it. I'll just do one more there, just show you. And cover the whole thing in a layer of glue and newspaper, and then leave it to dry. And when it is completely dry, paint it to match your own hair colour. There it is. And then try it on. Do you want to see it? OK, then. Stay there. Well, hello. And you can make them any style you like, and even get your friends to make them, and invite them to an egghead party. And how about this? You can even add on other bits like rolled up newspaper pigtails with ribbons, or even make a card cap and stick on some woolly hair. Go on, try it yourself. An egghead. Mad.